Welcome students. So today we are going to discuss second chapter of geography, that is land, soil, water, natural vegetation and wildlife resources. So we will start this chapter with a small story of a girl named as Mamba. She lived in Tanzania in Africa. She get up early in the morning to fetch water and she has to walk a very long way and return after very few hours because water facility is not available nearby areas. Then she helped her mother in household works and joined her brother in taking care of their goats, as you know that they rear goats. The girl lived in a small family and the family owned a piece of rocky land around their small hut. Rocky land means that soil is not fertile, that land is rocky type. Mamba's father can barely grow some maize and beans on it after toiling hard. Means as you know that the soil is very rocky, the land is very rocky. So they need to cultivate it very hardly to grow anything on that particular land. And that is not enough to feed their family for a whole year. So here is another story of Peter. Peter lives in a herd of a sheep rearing region in New Zealand, where his family run a wool processing factory. As they all rear sheep now, so they convert that into a wool. Every day when he returns from the school, Peter watches his uncle taking care of the sheep, because sheep rearing and wool processing is their basic occupation. So every day when he returned from the school, she noticed that his uncle taking care of their sheep, and their sheep yard is situated on a wide grassy plain with hills in the far distance. ओके तो उनका जो प्लेन है वो कैसा है, यार्ड जो है वो कैसा है, सिचुएटेड ऑन अ वाइड ग्रासी प्लेन. It is managed in a scientific way using the latest technology. Means they all have knowledge of latest technology, that how to grow you can say grass on a particular land and how to move with a proper you can say proper process for wool processing. Peter's family also grow vegetables through organic farming, as it is given in the story that land which they are having is a very, you can say, fertile type of land, and they also used latest technology to grow anything on that particular land. Okay, so here we discuss two stories, and both the story are from the different region, or we can say from the different part of the world, and both the living styles of both the stories are very different. Okay, so this difference is basically because of difference in the quality of land, soil, water, natural vegetation, animals and the uses of technology. As you saw that in the case of Mamba, their soil is very rocky, but in the case of Peter, their soil is not that much rocky, but they use very scientific way and you can say latest technology to grow anything on that particular land. Okay, so the availability of such resources is the main reason places different from each other. So here next we are going to discuss land. We need to discuss 3 points in this particular video. First we will discuss land, then we will discuss soil, and after that we will discuss water. Okay. So let's continue with the land. Yes, in this we will discuss land. As you all know that land is very important natural resource. Land is natural resource. It covers only 30% of total area of the earth's surface. Rest 70% is water. Yes, you know na that 30% is land. Land is 30% and rest 70% is your water. You need to remember this point, because when we discuss the point water, Then we will focus on this point that 70% is water, then 30% is land only. Okay, now here you need to focus that total area of Earth's surface and all the part of this small percentage are not habitat. All 30% is not using for habitat only. So there are so many land uses which we will discuss in land uses only. So the uneven distribution of population in different parts of the world is mainly due to varied characteristics of land and climate. As you know that population living in Jammu and Kashmir, और वी कैन से हिली एरिया में जो पॉपुलेशन होती है दैट इज़ वेरी लेस एज कंपेयर टू द प्लेन्स. ठीक है, प्लेन्स में आपकी पॉपुलेशन ज़्यादा मिलेगी एज कंपेयर टू द हिली एरियाज. वाई? बिकॉज यू नो ना दैट द मेन ऑक्यूपेशन ऑफ इंडियंस इज़ एग्रीकल्चर. उनका मेन ऑक्यूपेशन क्या होता है? एग्रीकल्चर. एंड एग्रीकल्चर यू गेट अ गुड क्रॉप और यू कैन से अ क्वालिटी production of a crop in plains rather than hills. So most of the population you will get in plains. Northern plains जो है आपका वहाँ पे ज़्यादा population मिलती है as compared to the hilly areas. Okay, and so this is mainly due to the वेराइड कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ लैंड एंड क्लाइमेट. क्लाइमेट में बहुत ज़्यादा डिफरेंस होता है, लैंड में बहुत ज़्यादा डिफरेंस होता है. बिकॉज जो हिली एरिया में जो लैंड है दैट इज़ नॉट दैट मच फर्टाइल एज वी आर हैविंग इन प्लेन्स. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस लैंड यूजेस. Plains and rivers valley often suitable for the agriculture as we discussed. ठीक है, so these are the densely populated area of the world. जो आपका plains and rivers है. Here you need to mark it very important that plains and rivers are more suitable for the agriculture as we discussed that agriculture is the main occupation of Indians. Got the point? Yes. Next we are going to discuss land uses. But land uses means how we can use a particular land. If you notice around you, so how you can justify that what are the various uses of land? Hospital, or we can say school. ठीक है, community, parks, roads, after that we can say एग्रीकल्चर. एग्रीकल्चर हो गया आपका यहाँ पे. ठीक है, और वी कैन से फॉरेस्ट, माउंटेन्स. सो ऑल these terms comes under uses of land. Means for what purpose a particular given land is used. We can, as we discussed, the agriculture, forestry, mining, building houses, roads, setting up industry. So all these are commonly termed as land uses. Okay, the use of land is determined by the physical factor as topography, soil, climate, minerals, and availability of water. If soil is fertile, if we are having a fertile soil and water facility is also available over there, so we can use that particular land for the agriculture. Yes, got the point? Apart from this, if any land is very rocky type of land, rocky land, that land is not used for the agriculture. And if you think that we can use that particular land for better purpose, so what you can do? You can set up a industry over there. ठीक है, so whatever purpose you are going to fulfill from a particular land is called land uses, but that depend on the major factors that topography, soil, climate, minerals, and availability of water. If you want to grow any crop on a certain given piece of a land, but that land is not you can say not containing any mineral, water facility also not available nearby area, so how you can use that particular land for the agriculture? So basically these are the some factors which affect the land uses. Okay, got the point bache? Yes. So next we are going to discuss types of land. Okay, so this is last topic of our this video. Types of land, we are converting that on two bases. One is private. Yes, one is private. Another one is community. Community. Okay, so just listen the difference carefully. As the name suggested, private. Private land is owned by individuals. Okay, if you are having your own bike, if you are having your own car, means that belongs to you only, na? That is your private property. That is your personal property. So that car, bike, all these terms comes under प्राइवेट लैंड. ओके, अभी देखिए ये तो हमने कुछ यू कैन से कि सारी चीज़ें हमने यहाँ पे डिस्कस की कि प्राइवेट चीज़ों में क्या कुछ चीज़ें आएंगी. बट इफ़ यू टॉक अबाउट प्राइवेट लैंड ओनली, सो एनी लैंड विच बिलोंग्स टू यू ओनली एंड यू आर हैविंग यू कैन से राइट ऑन दैट पर्टिकुलर लैंड, सो इट इज़ कॉल्ड प्राइवेट लैंड. कम्युनिटी लैंड मीन्स community land means land which is owned by the community and that is used for common purpose. No one single person or individual has single right over that particular land. If we take example of any well available in any village, park which is available any city. Okay, after that you are having trees in your locality, in your park, in your community, so no one having private you can say right on those particular things. So land which is used by commonly by all the persons is called community land. Community centers का आपने मीनिंग वर्ड सुना होगा. community center सुना है? community सेंटर बेसिकली यू कॉल्ड इट वाटिका. ठीक है, जहाँ पे प्रोग्राम्स वगैरह होते हैं. सो एज द नेम सजेस्टेड, कम्युनिटी सेंटर मीन्स दैट पर्टिकुलर लैंड डज नॉट बिलोंग्स टू एनी पर्टिकुलर पर्सन, दैट इज फॉर कम्युनिटी. whomsoever want to use that particular land, they can use that land. So that's why we called it community center, which belongs to each and every person of that particular community. ओके बच्चे, अब देखिए द क्वालिटी ऑफ अ लैंड ऑल्सो डिफर फ्रॉम प्लेस टू प्लेस. क्वालिटी ऑल्सो डिफर ना, बिकॉज द क्वालिटी ऑफ सॉइल और लैंड यू गेट इन प्लेन्स नियर बाय रिवर्स, you will not get that particular quality land in hilly areas. ठीक है, so today the vast changes in the land uses pattern also reflect the cultural changes in our society. लैंड डिग्रेडेशन हो गया, लैंड स्लाइडिंग हो गया, ये सारे रीजंस क्या हैं आपके, डिफरेंट लैंड पैटर्न को यूज़ करते हैं. अब देखिए टाइम टू टाइम जो हमारे लैंड पैटर्न है और जो हमारे चेंजेस हैं किसी भी पर्टिकुलर लैंड को यूज़ करने के लिए, वो क्या है, टाइम टू टाइम हमारे चेंज होते रहते हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू द नीड एंड रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ कॉमन पीपल. वी आर हैविंग दिस पर्टिकुलर लैंड, ठीक है, जहाँ पे पहले के टाइम पे सिर्फ एग्रीकल्चर प्रैक्टिस होता था. उस एग्रीकल्चर लैंड पे धीरे धीरे क्या हुआ, बिल्डिंग्स बननी शुरू हो गई. ओके, आफ्टर दैट वहाँ पे मैक्सिमम जो वहाँ का जो यू कैन से लैंड था वो रोड के लिए, फैक्ट्रीज़ के लिए, स्कूल के लिए, इन सारी चीज़ों के लिए यूज़ होने लगा. और जो हमारा फोर्थ वन है, फोर्थ वन में आप देखोगे अब यहाँ पे एक प्रॉपर जो सिटी है वो इस्टेब्लिश हो चुकी है with buildings, with schools, with two-sided, double-sided, you can say road, traffic lights are there, industries are there. ठीक है, वो पीछे आपको दिख रहा है ना धुआं धुआं थोड़ा सा, तो काफ़ी स्मॉगी है. So means industry are also available there. So all these things in land uses over the time, कि टाइम के अकॉर्डिंग जैसे भी रिक्वायरमेंट होती है ह्यूमंस की, जैसे वो न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी में मूव ऑन करते हैं, तो उसी तरीके से जो आपके लैंड यूजेस हैं वो भी होते रहते हैं. सो बच्चे, दिस वॉज ऑल अबाउट योर टुडेज क्लास. इन आवर नेक्स्ट वीडियो वी विल डिस्कस कन्वर्जेशन ऑफ रिसोर्सेज एंड other topics of this particular chapter. Thank you so much.